Hey guys, just a few things before the video starts. Just some interesting news, but my egg tart video has surpassed the Chinese New Year video, which is pretty impressive. Once again, another year has gone by, and now it's Chinese New Year. A common tradition is to flex how many red packets you have that are given to you by your relatives. Last year, I made stir-fried noodles, which became my most popular video at that time, so this year, we're gonna make some Chinese New Year dumplings. Tasty, very simple, and delicious. To half a pound of beef, add 1 teaspoon of salt, a tablespoon of sugar, about a teaspoon of ginger powder, and a teaspoon of garlic powder. Add a few shakes of white pepper, pour in a tablespoon of soy sauce, and a tablespoon of oyster sauce. Then add a tablespoon of water and mix it all up with your hands. Add another tablespoon of water and then continue mixing for maybe about a few more minutes or so. Then add in a 1/4 cup of corn and use something like a fork to combine it with the meat. Then add a tablespoon of barbecue sauce and then mix it around for about 3 minutes. To start wrapping dumplings, line the edge of your dumpling skin with water, then put a small piece of dumpling filling in the center, and then finally you can fold it up. Then pinch the edges to get that iconic dumpling shape. Then after that, just repeat until you run out of dumpling filling. In a pot of boiling water, carefully add all of your dumplings in, and then use a kitchen tool to stir them around so they don't stick together. Once it starts bubbling and they float to the top, then you can add about a cup of water. Then cover it with a lid and uncover it when it starts foaming up again. For 2 minutes, keep on stirring them so they don't stick together. Then turn off the heat and plate it up. For my presentation, I just put a ring of dumplings and put a small bowl of soy sauce right in the middle. Then I just topped it off with some chopped up green onions, and that's it. Alright guys, Happy New Year, and here we go. We're back with the dumplings. Looks pretty nice.
Ooh, I need some of that soy sauce. Wow.
That's a nice dumpling.
That is really good. Also, hey guys, it's me, that guy. I was here a few times.
This is solid. I also give it like a 9. Right?
11 out of 10.
Oh. Alright guys, well, Happy New Year, and yeah, I'll see you next time.